we have some breakfast here for Miss Fern, who is in our hospital coop right now. We've got her some Nutri-Drench water, which this is our Nutri-Drench. This is what everybody that starts feeling a little under the weather gets. It's full of all the good stuff for them. Vitamins, minerals, all that good stuff. And she is getting scrambled eggs. There's a little bit of red pepper flake and some oregano in there, along with some mealworms. So this is a protein and vitamin filled breakfast for her to hopefully get her on the road to feeling better. All right, Miss Fern, we're gonna give you some breakfast here. Here's your water. Please don't dump it over like you did the last one. Look here. Look at these. Look there. Why are you yelling? You can see how hard her molt is hitting her. I think that's mainly her problem. Enjoy your breakfast, please. Girl. Are you done? I think she's obviously feeling a little bit better already. Because she was not having none of this yesterday. She was very lethargic. Okay, well, I'm gonna, you eat your breakfast. You eat your breakfast like a good girl, and then I will take you outside to be with the rest of your family. Okay. Eat your breakfast. You're so loud. Yeah. Girl, just eat your breakfast and quit complaining about it. Oh, you threw your eggs in your water. I say she likes them.